And put your hand on your heart, my husband, the defender of my honor. He is the Bulgarian brute.
Russev vowing revenge for Roman Reigns, ruining the celebration of Russev and Lana's wedding, and not to mention the United States Championship.
Hey, at least Russev and Lana got a second honeymoon out of the deal. To the dry cleaners.
That's good, Byron.
Hey.
Roman Reigns.
Tonight marks the 7th time the United States Championship will be defended at SummerSlam.
And what a match that was. And quite frankly, I can't imagine that Roman Reigns or Russev are 100% coming into this match after the way they... And Reigns said it himself. I walk in the guy, I walk out the champion.
Which could cost him the championship.
Oh,
Russev! Match hasn't even gotten underway, and Russev immediately attacking Roman Reigns.
I just got
the official leading, and shoulder first into the steps goes Roman. Hey, Russev vowed he was going to take Reigns out.
the Reigns' left arm is 100%.
Rusev, vicious assault now on Roman.
It's like vulture-like mentality we're seeing from Russev.
In hands now. And right off the arm of Roman Reigns.
Look in the eyes of Russev.
Now Russev tossed into the timekeeper's area by Reigns. And finally, Russev attacked. Oh, Superman punch!
Rusev officially got tagged by a Superman punch.
Yeah, Russev attacked Reigns hit now, and he's going right after Russev. And Roman Reigns on this. A number of officials now have made their way out to ringside to try to separate. And another one. And Roman Reigns is unleashed here.
Talk about a volatile situation between both these men.
And Roman Reigns not taking kindly to the assault by Russev.
Russo for survival.
Oh, man, Russev. Continuing to go after Russev.
I've ever seen Reigns this incensed.
Beating Reigns tonight. Started with the assault before the bell, and now the headbutt after headbutt by Reigns. This is Reigns doesn't care. Reigns is going back for more. Want to punish Russev, scar him. That's a ringside doctor out here with Russev.
Certainly his intention, but Roman Reigns really turned the tables around.
Take a breath there, Russev. Come on. Just goes to show you when Roman Reigns finds that
Ringside doctor that Russev is unable to compete tonight.
So we will not have our United States Championship match.
Russev walking very gingerly.
Roman Reigns did not like the fact. I think Roman didn't like the fact that Russev was going to walk out of here on his own. And they have broken ribs now.
they weren't broken before, they are now.
You can take some deep breaths.